The elimination of ponding water on a roof surface extends the life of a roofing membrane, reduces structural burdens, and discourages mold and algae growth. Tapered polyiso insulation is a sloped rigid foam insulation panel produced to promote positive drainage and meet roof configuration and drainage requirements. This video is part of an educational series on tapered polyiso installation. This segment covers the difference between a standard panel repeat and an extended panel repeat. The basic difference is an extended profile consists of more tapered panels and less fill. Extended panel profiles reduce labor as fewer panels are handled and installed on the roof. Using fewer fill panels in the construction of an extended panel profile means less adhesive or hot asphalt and saves time and material costs. This is an example of two identical 48-foot runs at a 1/4 inch per foot. On the left is a standard 2-panel repeat with 2-inch fill, and it takes 44 panels and 30 applications of adhesive. On the right, the extended 4-panel repeat with 4-inch fill takes only 24 panels and 12 applications of adhesive. Tapered profiles come in several slopes. All slope profiles follow the same principles of combining tapered and fill. As you install the tapered system, different profiles use different amounts of tapered panels before the sequence starts over and utilizes fill. For this video, we will be comparing a typical 1/4 inch per foot standard versus extended panel repeat. We will start with the typical standard profile. Here's a 32-foot run using a standard panel repeat. Note the amount of layers required as the run extends. Next, we will lay out the extended panel repeat. We start with our first tapered panel. We will be starting with the smaller panel in a 1/4 inch system, an X panel. X panels run from 0.5 inches to 1.5 inches. We lay the low end of the panel toward the drainage point, which can be a scupper, drain, drip edge, or gutter. The second tapered panel of a standard 1/4 inch sequence is a Y panel, which runs 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches. Lay the 1.5 inch low edge of the Y panel against the 1.5 inch high side of the X panel we just laid down. The third panel in a typical 1/4 inch extended panel sequence is the Z panel, which runs from 2.5 inches to 3.5 inches in thickness. We lay the panel down matching the 2.5 inch low side of the Z panel to the 2.5 inch high side of the Y panel. The fourth and final panel in the panel sequence is the ZZ panel, which runs from 3.5 inches on the narrow end to 4.5 inches on the thicker end. Once the ZZ panel is laid down, it is time to do a panel repeat. To do this, we take a 4-inch piece of flat polyiso, also known as fill, and lay it down against the last panel of the first panel sequence. We have now begun to repeat the same pattern of panels we constructed before. The difference is, in order to continue the slope, we lay each piece down on top of a piece of fill. The main benefits of utilizing extended panels are the reduction of layers installed on the roof and overall panels handled. Extended panels are commonly used on wood and concrete decks to greatly reduce the amount of adhesive required in a fully adhered assembly. This concludes our standard versus extended video. You should now understand the benefits and installation of extended panels. The Tapered Design team takes the mystery out of tapered insulation with clear designs, streamlined quotes, on-site consultations, and education by some of the industry's best. The designers work directly with architects, contractors, and sales reps. Beyond quoting and designing, they can present various types of virtual and on-site tapered training. The Tapered team is here to help with any tapered insulation needs and provides the best solution for every roof. You can reach out to our Tapered department with any questions, design inquiries, or quote requests. If you'd like to learn more about tapered polyiso, check out our other videos on our channel.